All right, guys, now we are going to come over in your MAXCenter. We're going to go over here, update your profile. This is important. Not only is it going to be when somebody is searching for an agent within the system, but it's also information that's going to be pulling to everywhere your online profile may be, including your website, remax.com, and everything inside of this intranet. So I'm going to come right over here, profile overview. We're going to go to general information. This is how you want your name displayed. If you have alternate names, anything like that. Also the job title. This is going to be pulling over right into your website. So it'll have the job title directly under your name. If you don't have anything, it may just say sales associate, I believe. So you want to make sure that says realtor, realtor rockstar, whatever you want to call yourself or have displayed on your website. This is what you want to go ahead and add and change your title. Of course, you have all of your information that's pulling in from when you joined, your birthday, join date, all that. Contact information. This will be the different emails. Where do you want your emails forwarded to? And of course, all of your web and social sites. So make sure all you have to do is click add. It allows you to put one link for every platform. Your agent website, which I have right here, that is really the website icon in your public profile for Remax. That is going to be the website that is clickable over. The rest of these right now don't show anywhere on your public profiles. They will be listed in your intranet profile, which so when a Remax agent does a search, they'll be able to see those, but it is not pulled over to any public profile right now. So if you have LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, all of these, go ahead and add those links. A lot of them will pull right over to your website. Of course, the icons on your public profile, pretty important. So make sure you go through and add all of your website and social media links. Make it super easy for people to be able to find you. And make sure just include in that web directory, it is defaulted to include, but if you uncheck that, that means it won't be displayed publicly to anybody, and that kind of defeats the purpose. If you're going to add it in here, you probably want it displayed. So go ahead and make sure that is included in web directory. Your phone, make sure you have different options in here. So you have direct, alternative, home, blah, blah, blah. This pulls over the mobile cell is really, make sure you have your cell number put in there. That will carry over to the kvCORE MaxTech profile and all of the marketing assets within the program. And if you don't have a mobile cell, it's going to show your office's or team's smart number. And you don't really want that, because if you're sending out a CMA, a market report, and it has your cell number and you don't have your cell number in here, it's going to display a smart number. So if that person actually calls that, it's going to rotate that call throughout all of the agents or however your office has that lead routing set up. So make sure, super important under phone, for the mobile cell, you actually have your cell phone number. You can have it under direct, anything else you want, but make sure it also is under that mobile cell, because that is pulling over to MaxTech. And of course, fax, anything like that. And of course, anytime you make a change, make sure to save that. Going over to photo, this is more of like a square. You can replace, download it, whatever you want to do, upload that. I would say make sure it is high res, just because it'll look better displayed on the various platforms where this photo is getting imported. I've noticed some that are not high resolution, and then it's all grainy because it's rather large in that spot. So this photo will carry over to all of the different platforms that we have. So make sure it is a high resolution photo for you. And then personal details, make sure you have your bio. If you're a horrible writer like me, you can copy what you have and then put it into ChatGPT or another AI, say, rewrite this in a whatever format, professional, blah, 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 blah. So make sure you have that. Civic activities, educational background, add as much information as you can. This is really going to help when it comes to agents trying to find other agents. We're truly becoming matchmakers for the clients we're looking to do a referral for. So the more information you have, the better it's going to be for you to get those leads. Only because I know when I'm searching for an agent, say for one of my family members, if I see they're really big into, Alzheimer's or the Humane Society, something like that, they're going to have a connection, rapport off the bat because they both are part of the same hobbies, communities, anything like that. So the more information you could have in here, the better it's going to be for that matchmaking process of agents looking for other agents. So make sure fill out as much as you possibly can when it comes to your profile. So hopefully that helps. Go ahead and go in there, set up your profile. Don't leave anything blank. The more, the better when it comes to all of this.